Palm Beach Maritime Academy's drop-off and pickup procedures for our secondary campus. You will enter the car line here. The gates open at 8:35 a.m. Please be mindful of parked cars and do not block any roadways, driveways, or parking spots. We ask that you wait on the side of the road at this point. Dismissal in the afternoons begins at 3:40 p.m. Once all of the buses have left campus, you will be flagged by a staff member to proceed forward. Please do not try to enter the car line from one of the side roads that leads to the school. Should a staff member see you do so, you will be asked to go to the end of the car line. You will now make a right-hand turn into the student drop-off and pickup area. Please watch for staff members for direction. Students should get out of the car on the sidewalk side of the vehicle. Once your student has been dropped off or picked up, you will proceed out of the parking lot and make a stop followed by a right-hand turn. We ask that you follow this route to exit the campus. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the school. And thank you for watching.